Would you like to know what the best paid work from home jobs are, and start to make money online from these remote jobs right away? Then keep watching. It's time to level up.
Series 1, Episode 12, Online Beauty Advisor. Earning potential, $11 to $60+ an hour. If this particular idea isn't something you think you'd be interested in, you should watch it anyway, as you might be pleasantly surprised, and during the video, you may think of someone you can share this with, who may still benefit from it. But, even if neither of these things happen during this episode, don't despair, because near the end, we'll clue you in on how you can benefit from an even more lucrative path, for those of you who'd prefer to level up like a boss. With the increasing trend around makeup and beauty taking the world by storm, there's never been a better time to consider becoming an online beauty advisor. Sharing your supportive advice in skincare and beauty routines can help to build up the confidence of your clientele. You can advise clients locally or globally depending on your niche, while building a brand around yourself that can lead to something huge in the future. This role is for beauty entrepreneurs, consultants, makeup artists, estheticians, hairstylists, and anyone who loves beauty and serving clients. Online beauty advisors are expected to have the desire to learn, train, and build skill sets in this new digital clienteling model for the beauty industry. A beauty consulting firm or beauty brand can train you on skincare solutions, skin concerns, ingredients, innovation, and digital selling best practices. Those who want to be an online beauty advisor can look for work in this area, even if they don't have much beauty experience, consulting experience, or any work experience. Companies like BeautyTap provide free training by former educators from brands like Estée Lauder and Christian Dior. They are geared more towards taking on certified experts, licensed pros, beauty students, and those who currently work in or recently worked within beauty retail. There is also an opportunity to become a content creator for BeautyTap instead, which may be more up your street. The two community roles have different landing pages, giving an insight into the requirements and benefits of each, but they both lead to the same beauty expert online application to apply for either. Wherever you choose to apply for online beauty consultant jobs, you'll find that applicants who gain some relevant qualifications and experience beforehand are more likely to be considered for a greater number of roles, especially the positions with more desirable pay and reward structures. But how do you get paid? According to one job posting, compensation is based on commission on all products sold every time your client makes a purchase. Other platforms, however, may compensate your efforts in different ways, such as hourly pay and bonuses for achievements. The additional perks of being an online beauty advisor may come in the form of free education, free or discounted beauty products, access to exclusive beauty events, access to new beauty products, services, and brand launches, plus networking and career growth opportunities. Requirements to work in this field are owning a device to access the internet and perform video calls with clients, caring about your skin, hair and nail health, your general presentation and that of your clients, a private area where you can perform consultations or film video content, and basic beauty products and tools. Find opportunities on BeautyTap, ZipRecruiter, Glassdoor, and by using a search engine to look for new prospects in this industry. Good hunting.
Thanks for watching. You'll find links in the description to the things we've mentioned, and we've also shared a link to an insider secret strategy that can make you even more money for a fraction of the effort. We share life-changing videos like these each and every week. Don't be a dummy, subscribe so you don't miss out.